Hello and welcome back. Today I've got something a little bit different for you. My cousin Kenneth has asked me if I would draw a Pokemon. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So get yourself some plain white paper, a pencil, a rubber and a black pen. Let's get started. So using your pencil, draw rather lightly. I'm just going to do it a little bit more heavily just to show you an oval shape. There we go. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, mine's a bit wonky again. Then we're going to follow that with another shape for the body. Just like that. Now the two arms, we're just going to do two shapes, one like that and one like that. And then for the feet, the shape like that. And one coming out the other side, just like that. This is all rough, so don't worry. We're also going to draw a big V shape. So one line going up like that, and the other one going up like that. Now we're going to focus a little bit more on the helmet. So coming to about there, we're going to draw one side of the helmet. It's going to come round and then down at an angle, just like this. Then we're going to do the same on the other side, so coming up like that, and coming round, just like that. There we go. Now, following me, just draw a little line coming down, just like this, and then just draw like a little dotted line coming into the center. And then the same on the other side. Remember, if you need to pause this video at any time, please do so, just to catch up. Just draw another little dotted line there. Okay, now bring this round so it hits the top of this oval shape. And then the same on the other side, just like that. Next, we're going to focus on the cape. So, about here, we're just going to draw a line going across, and then another line going across here. So the little tie for the cape's going to be here. So just draw a little shape like that. And this is going to be the ribbon that ties up the cape. Just like that. Okay, and then just two little bits coming down, like so. So the cape's going to come round. It's going to go round like this. You're going to bring it out, all the way out. It's going to come in just above the foot. Now, we're going to draw the outside of the cape, so just like that, and then bring it up. We're going to do the same on the other side. So, bringing the cape, going round, just like that. That comes up, and then we're going to bring the cape round, just to the top of the foot, just like that. Now, this particular cape has two little wings on the side. So we're going to do one wing like this, and then the other one like this. Excellent. We're going to draw the little tail. So that's one part, and then the tail part's going to come around like this, down like that, and then it's got like a spike on the end of the tail. So something like that, and there we go on the other side. Okay, I hope you're with me. We're going to do the hands next because they're just tucked round the back. So just tuck them round the back like that, and then there's another one just there, like so. There we go. So it's starting to take shape. Draw a couple of toes with a few lines there. Now for the face. Okie dokie. So actually we probably should do the rest of the mask. So just bring the inside line, and then it's got like these teeth shapes here, and then the same on the other side, and then go round the edge of the mask and then bring it down. Now we're going to draw two little cheeks, one here one here. You can colour these in once we're finished. And a little mouth, little Pikachu mouth. And then the nose. And then one eye's going to be winking, like that. And then the other one's going to be wide and slightly menacing looking. So draw the top straight and then it comes down like that with a little like light bit there. Okay, so next thing we're going to draw the shape on the mask. So it's going to have these two kind of dragon eyes. So there's a big circle there. And then there's a pattern coming down. Same on the other side. Okay, pattern a bit like that. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. There we go. Big circle there. Remember, you can rub this out at any time. So if you make any mistakes, just rub them out. Keep on looking at the drawing to see if it looks realistic. Round like that. Now I can see that I've made the head a little bit too wide, so I'm just going to bring it in a little bit there. There we go. Just like that. Okay. Next, the helmet has some decoration on it. So it has these funny kind of, they almost look like gills. So coming around like that. And then it goes on like that. And then there's a series of what looks like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure it means something. And then it comes around like that. There we go. And next we're going to do the other side. So again, it starts about here. Comes out like that. Just like that. And then again, these kind of 0, 0, or they could be glasses. I've got little holes in the middle. Just go around. Just like that. There we go. And that's done. So now I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Add some pen. Oh, I forgot one bit. At the back of the helmet, there's, I really don't know how to describe these things. What could you call them? They look like some kind of antennae. I'm sure they've got a proper name. But okay, do one on that side, and we will do the same on the other side. So this is my first time drawing a Pokemon. So I hope you'll bear with me. You can probably teach me a thing or two if you're a fan. But I'm doing this one for my cousin, so I hope he likes it. Oh, and there's one little spiky bit over here, and then I'm going to colour it in pen. So now I'm going to be using some coloured pencils, and I'm just going to colour this in. So I'm going to start off with yellow. Well, that's all for today, folks. Remember, if you've got any requests, please let me know. And if you haven't already, please download my free PDF of how to draw a horse in motion. So get yourself a copy just here. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe and like, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye bye.